Looking for the best budget e-bike that delivers performance without breaking the bank? You're the right place. Whether you need a reliable daily commuter, a foldable space saver, or a high-speed thrill ride, we got you covered. In this video, we're unveiling 7 incredible electric bikes that combine affordability with top-tier features. Get ready to explore powerful motors, long-lasting batteries, and smart designs, all at budget-friendly prices. Stick around to find the perfect e-bike for your next adventure. Number 1. Qlife Racer Electric Bike for Adults. The Qlife Racer electric bike is a standout choice for budget-conscious riders who refuse to compromise on performance. Built with a sleek yet sturdy aluminum frame, this e-bike strikes the perfect balance between durability and lightweight maneuverability. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend ride on scenic trails. The wide, shock-absorbing tires contribute to a smooth experience, effectively handling urban roads and uneven terrain alike. Powering the Qlife Racer is a robust 500 kW motor, delivering a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it an efficient option for everyday rides. The 48V removable battery offers a generous range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, allowing you to go the distance without frequent recharging. With pedal assist and throttle modes, you can choose between a manual workout or effortless cruising, catering to diverse riding preferences. Quality-wise, the Qlife Racer excels with its premium braking system. Front and rear disc brakes ensure responsive stopping power, increasing safety even on slippery roads. The 7-speed gear system enhances adaptability, providing smooth transitions for uphill climbs and fast-paced flat rides. Whether you're new to e-bikes or a seasoned rider, the Qlife Racer is an exceptional budget-friendly option with a premium feel.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Varun Electric Bike for Adults. Designed for practicality and style, the Varun electric bike is a budget-friendly yet highly reliable choice. The robust aluminum alloy frame supports a solid structure, while keeping the bike lightweight and easy to handle. With a modern aesthetic and streamlined build, this e-bike seamlessly blends into urban settings. The thick, cushioned saddle provides exceptional comfort, ensuring fatigue-free long rides. Equipped with a 350 kW motor, the Varun electric bike reaches speeds of up to 18 miles per hour, offering a smooth and controlled ride. The 36V lithium-ion battery allows for an impressive 35-mile range, making it ideal for daily commutes and short adventures. The pedal assist system is well calibrated, giving just the right amount of boost while retaining a natural cycling feel. Durability is a highlight of the Varun electric bike. Its high-traction tires provide a firm grip on roads, while the dual braking system ensures reliable stopping power. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed about speed, battery life, and riding modes, adding a touch of convenience. Affordable yet efficient, the Varun electric bike is a worthy investment for anyone seeking a budget e-bike with solid performance. Number 3. Funhang Electric Bike for Adults. The Funhang electric bike combines affordability with high-end features, making it a fantastic choice for those new to e-bikes. The aluminum frame is lightweight yet robust, designed for daily commuting and casual rides. Its stylish design is complemented by an adjustable handlebar and saddle, allowing for a personalized and comfortable riding position. Performance-wise, the Funhang electric bike houses a 400W brushless motor, reaching speeds of 22 miles per hour. The powerful motor ensures smooth acceleration, making hill climbs effortless. The 48V removable battery provides a commendable 45-mile range, making it ideal for extended trips without constant recharging. Riders can choose from throttle-only pedal assist or traditional cycling modes for a versatile experience. Built for longevity, this bike features puncture-resistant tires that handle rough surfaces with ease. The high-sensitivity dual disc brakes ensure quick and controlled stopping. Adding to its appeal, the intuitive LED headlamp enhances visibility for night rides. Whether for commuting or weekend exploration, the Funhang electric bike is a top-tier budget option. Number 4. Apyear Electric Bike for Adults. For riders seeking a dependable and affordable e-bike, the Apyear electric bike delivers an outstanding experience. The reinforced aluminum frame is both durable and lightweight, providing excellent stability and control. The sleek black finish gives it a modern and polished look, perfect for urban and suburban commutes. The Apyear electric bike features a 500 kW motor that propels it to speeds of up to 23 miles per hour. Its powerful torque ensures quick acceleration, making it a reliable choice for varied terrains. The 48V battery offers an extensive 50-mile range, significantly reducing the need for frequent charging. The pedal assist function provides a customizable boost, allowing riders to balance effort and efficiency. Designed for comfort and performance, this e-bike boasts wide, shock-absorbing tires that grip the road securely. The advanced braking system ensures precise control even in sudden stops. The handlebar-mounted digital display provides real-time stats, keeping riders informed and in control. A budget-friendly e-bike that delivers premium performance, the Apyear is a true value-for-money choice. Number 5. Sepado Folding Electric Bike for Adults. The Sepado Folding Electric Bike is an excellent solution for those who need a compact yet powerful e-bike. The foldable aluminum frame makes storage and transport incredibly easy, ideal for city dwellers and commuters who need space efficiency. Despite its foldable design, it maintains structural integrity, ensuring stability and durability. Powered by a 350 kW motor, the Sepado e-bike achieves a respectable 19 miles per hour top speed. The 36V lithium-ion battery offers a 30-mile range, making it perfect for short to medium-distance travel. The pedal assist and throttle modes provide versatility, allowing for effortless riding or manual pedaling when desired. The dual suspension system and puncture-resistant tires make riding smooth, even on bumpy surfaces. The mechanical disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, ensuring maximum safety. With its convenient folding mechanism and solid performance, the Sepado electric bike is a great choice for budget-conscious commuters. Number 6. ActBest Core Electric Bike for Adults. Blending performance with affordability, the ActBest Core Electric Bike is an exceptional budget e-bike. Built with a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum alloy frame, it supports various riding conditions with ease. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, with an adjustable seat and handlebars that cater to different rider heights. This e-bike boasts a 450 kW motor, reaching speeds of up to 21 miles per hour. The 48V battery supports a 40-mile range, making it a suitable option for both daily commutes and recreational rides. The multi-level pedal assist system allows for a customized riding experience, while the throttle mode provides an effortless journey. Durability is a strong suit, thanks to the high-quality tires that handle multiple terrains effectively. The disc brake system ensures safety with precise stopping power. Featuring an LED headlight for night visibility and a user-friendly LCD display, the ActBest Core is an unbeatable budget e-bike for reliable performance. Number 7. EbkaRocy Ebikes for Adults. The EbkaRocy electric bike is a budget-friendly option with an impressive combination of power, design, and efficiency. Its aluminum alloy frame provides excellent strength while maintaining a lightweight build. The modern, minimalist design enhances its aesthetic appeal, making it a stylish choice for city riders. A 500 kW motor powers this e-bike, offering a top speed of 24 miles per hour. The 48V battery delivers a remarkable 55-mile range, perfect for long-distance travel. Riders can switch between pedal assist and throttle modes, making it versatile for different riding preferences. Designed for maximum comfort, the wide seat and adjustable handlebars ensure an ergonomic fit. The advanced braking system ensures responsive stopping, even at high speeds. The high-lumen LED light enhances safety for night riding. The EbkaRocy electric bike delivers exceptional value, offering premium features at an affordable price. These 7 budget-friendly e-bikes prove that affordability doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Whether you need a compact foldable option, long-range performance, or stylish city commuting, there's an e-bike here for you. Investing in the right e-bike means getting the best value for your budget while enjoying an eco-friendly, efficient ride. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments.